Do you want to create beautiful kids nursery rhythms videos using just your phone and no paid softwares? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do it using free AI tools. Let's first of all see whether these channels are monetizable, and head over to YouTube and search for Cocomelon, the most unknown and popular kids video, and click on there and copy the link. Copy the Cocomelon link. After that, you need to head over to YT large, where you check monetization checker. Just paste the link and choose monetization checker and click on search. Okay, and give it some seconds and to give you the result, and to tell you that the channel is monetized or not. And yes, you can see the channel is monetized. It is right. It just load here. Ads are active. It is 100% verified and all that. Now let's go to Social Blade and look how much this channel make. Just paste in the link there and paste in the link of Cocomelon like that, and click on search and give it some time to load. Okay, click on the first link that appears, and after that you can just scroll down and you can see this channel makes almost $80 million per year. That is how much it earns, and that is good, and that is a large amount of money. Now let's look another smaller channel. We are going to look this channel. Just search for kids cartoon and just choose one channel, and we shall look how much it earns and also look whether it is monetized or not. Okay, now head over to Nunu TV. This is Nunu TV. That's a kids channel also. Just click there and you can see it has 25.5 million subscribers. The popular video has almost half a million, not even half a million, 353 million. Just copy the link, head over to Social Blade, head over to YT large and paste in the link and look on monetization checker. And as you can see, this channel is monetized, because let's give it some seconds. It must be monetized. Okay, as you can see, the channel is monetized and ads are active and it is 100% verified, and it is at the music category. Okay, now let's head over to Social Blade. Paste in the Social Blade link like that. Click on search and paste in the first link. As you can see, this channel makes almost $5 million per month and $58 million per year. That's good. Now head over to how to make these videos. I will head over to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT this. I want to create a kids song using Suno AI. Okay, I misspelled the word kids. There is no N. Okay, using Suno AI, a song that teaches kids. You can either paste in anything. As for me, I'm going to make a song about daily activities for kids. You can make songs about about science, about weather, about everything. Okay, kids everyday activities, and click on send. From when they wake up till evening, until when they sleep. Okay, wake up until when they sleep. Click on send, and ChatGPT will go ahead and create you a good song. You can see the theme of the song, the title of the song. There is verse 1, there is chorus, verse 2 up to verse 4 on the final chorus. Okay, and that is very good. Okay, and this song is not copyrighted, it's free to use and it's free to post. Okay, now because this is a tutorial, I'm just going to copy the first verse and the chorus, and I'm going to make a song for that. Okay, head over to your Play Store and download Suno AI, the AI music and song, and click on open. Create an account if you don't have one. After that, you need to come here You can upgrade if you want, but we are going to use a free account for this. Okay, click on create, and remember to choose the model. We are going to use the one that is free. If you use that something that is not free, you will not download that music. Okay, click on plus lyrics, copy the lyrics there. Add a song description, choose on male vocals, and then add something. You can add, let me add what? First of all, start with a comma, and then add kids, children, nursery rhythms. Keep a comma again and light fun, another comma, and light playful. Yeah, that will make sense. And click on create. So now AI gives you 50 credits per day, so you can make up to 5 songs per day, no, 10 songs per day. Okay, as you can see, it is creating very fast. The song is being created very fast. And so now you know to create 2 songs, and you will choose one of them. Okay, let's listen to the first song.
Good morning, sun, I open my eyes,
Stretch my arms and say hi.
brush my teeth and wash my face.
Put on my clothes, I'm ready to race.
It's my day, hooray, hooray. So many things to do and play. From morning light to starry night, my day is happy and bright. Chicken on!
La 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 la.
Listen to the second song and compare.
Good morning, sun, I open eyes.
Stretch my arms and say hi.
Brush my teeth and wash my face. Put on my clothes, I'm ready to race.
It's my day, hooray, hooray.
So many things to do and play. From morning light to starry night, my day is happy and bright.
As for me, I love the second song, so I'm going to download the second song. Click on the 3 downloads, and you can see click on download anyway, and then after that you need to save it. You can either leave it like that or you name it so that you can identify it from the other songs you have on your device. Okay, after doing that, now the next step is to head over back to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT this: give me image generation or image creation prompts for verse 1 and chorus. Okay, but for you, if you're going to create a full song, you're going just to tell it give me image generation prompts for the song. But for me, I'm going just to say for verse 1 and the chorus. Okay, now after that, you can see ChatGPT just gave me the image creation prompt for verse 1 and the chorus, but I decided to make it more interesting, because if one verse will just be started by one video or one image, it is not interesting at all. Okay, so I have decided to create 3 images and 3 videos for each chorus, for the verse and the chorus. Okay, now tell ChatGPT this: give me 3 image creation prompt for verse 1 and chorus, verse 1 and chorus, and add this text so that it can understand what you want for each. Okay, each will have 3 image and 3 videos. Okay, and you can see ChatGPT gave me those. Now there are 6 prompts, so I'm going to create 6 images, which I will later turn them to 6 videos. Okay, now the next step here is to copy the first prompt of the first image. Yeah, this one here. I will copy it and head over to Procurement AI. Procurement AI gives you 10 credits per day, so you can generate 10 images for free without a watermark. Just paste in there, choose the aspect ratio and the number of images you want to create, and then click on generate or the blue icon. Give it some seconds. It normally to be very fast. Give it some seconds to generate the image, and Procurement AI gives you images that are very stunning. Okay, now this is our first image. As you can see, this is just what we expected. Okay, click on download and save it on your device. You can see it have been saved on your device. Head over back to ChatGPT and copy our second prompt. Come back to Document AI and paste in the prompt there, and choose the expectation, the number of images you want to be created, and then after that you click on generate and give it some seconds, and it will create for you a beautiful, stunning, and what you want. Okay, you can see the image is exactly what you want. And as far as I know, Document AI creates consistent characters. You can see the first character, the second, the third is the same person. That is one thing I love about it. Now let's head over back and create our third image. Click there, click on generate, and just some seconds the image is generated and it is there and it's fine. Okay, now I'm going to generate the other images very fast. I will copy the prompt behind the scenes and just paste them here and create the images. Okay, let me paste the first image, the first prompt is there. That is the first prompt, and click on generate and give it some second to generate the image. Wow, and the image is generated and it is stunning and I love it. Okay, now pasting the other. That is now our 6 image creation. As you can see, it is fast and it is being created very fast, and it is here with us now. Okay, now let's paste the last image prompt. Click on generate, give it some seconds, and boom, the image is created. Now the next step is to animate these images, and to do that we are going to use our one and only app, Digen app or Digen AI. Okay, after you create an account, you can see there is the create icon up there. Click on that icon. After clicking on the create icon, you need to choose the aspect ratio. I'm going with 16:9 for YouTube, and click on crop. After clicking on crop, click on the image icon and import our first image. This was our first image. Give it some seconds, and you can see it is 0% downloaded, and it will be downloaded up to 100%, and it is there. Now it is 100% downloaded. Click on prompt. Now here at the prompt is where you need to paste the prompt you used to create the image is the same prompt you are going to create the video. Okay, now paste in the first your prompt there like that, and click on the tick there. Okay, click on the tick. You can see it is going to create for you 5-second video. After that, you need to click on generate video like that, and you can see it will just tell you how much to take, how many times to take, and it says estimated wait time is 4 minutes. So you are just going to wait for 4 minutes to receive your video. Okay, now I'm going to show you how I created my second video, and I'm going to click on there, import my second image, click on select. After clicking on select, you need to crop it, okay, like that, and then click on prompt, click on prompt, okay, and click on generate video, and you can see the video is generated, and the first video is ready now. Click on download, and you can see it is playing very well, and I love that. It is good. Click on download and save it on your gallery. That is how I generated all my videos. Okay, now the last step is to edit, to combine these with short clips and add audio on them. Just click on the 5 clips you created using the Digen app. After that, you need to choose the aspect ratio. I'm going with YouTube 16:9. And now if you want to do away with the watermark, first of all, remove the InShot watermark. InShot is free, but you can use CapCut if you want, but CapCut comes with a watermark if you're using a free account. If you want to do away with the watermark, you just click there, use the 2 fingers to upscale the image like that, and the watermark will be gone. Okay, because the images they will not lose the meaning, they will not lose anything. You just need to upscale it using your 2 fingers. Continue this up to the last image you created, because Digen is free, but it comes with a watermark. But this watermark, you can do away with it, and if you post with the watermark, you still monetize the video. There's no problem. But to look more professional, I can just advise you to do away with that watermark like that. And you can see now it is fine. Now you need to add the audio. Click on audio. After clicking on audio, you click on music and choose the audio you choose. Just the audio I choose, the one that has, it was my second video. Okay, you can see now the audio is a bit longer than the video, so you keep in listening, and where it says splash, when it ends, you cut the video. If it will not end, you prolong the video, or you do something we call duplicate. After duplicating, you listen to the video again, and you can hear it waking up at somewhere there. So you need to delete the rest part. Okay, like that, delete, and continue with this process until the video and the audio matches each other and they are of the same length. That is when you'll be done with editing. Okay, yeah. So as for me, I can hear here it's where there is something. I will duplicate it, and then I will cut it a bit like that. Click on split, click on delete, and that's how I created. Listen to the video. Okay,
Good morning, sun, I open my eyes,
Stretch my arms and say hi.
brush my teeth and wash my face.
Put on my clothes, I'm ready to race.
It's my day, hooray, hooray. So many things to do and play. From morning light to starry night, my day is happy and bright. Chicken on!
La 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 la.
If you have watched this video so far, do not forget to like, subscribe, and also hit that notification bell. Remember to watch one of these videos appears on your screen. It will help you. And that is for today. Let's meet in the next video. I love you all. Bye bye.